Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change language on Threads app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's proceed with our tutorial. So first, you will need to open the Threads app from your mobile phone. After that, we will need to click on our settings by going to simply to the profile icon. By clicking on it, it will show you this menu, and here we will need to click on these two horizontal lines that would enable us to go to the settings. So from here, we will simply need to go to the language settings so we can change the language of our app. As you guessed right, we will need to click on this language option. By clicking on it, you will find all the app languages. And here you will search for the language desired. For example, I'm going to choose French. By clicking on French, here we have our Threads app that has successfully changed language. So here you can find followings and for you page, and those are like settings. You can see the edit profile, share profile, etc. We can click again to the language or the long, and here we will click on English again, and we will have our language that has been restored successfully. So as you can see, this is how you can exactly change your language on the Threads app. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.